Elon Musk's Starlink has received a license to offer satellite internet services in India, becoming the third company to secure this approval from the Department of Telecom. Now, according to sources, the department has confirmed that Starlink will be granted trial spectrum within 15 to 20 days of applying for it, paving the way for the company to begin operations in the country. Aishwarya Patil gets us more details.
Well, the wait is finally over for Starlink, as we're learning from our sources at Starlink as well as the Department of Telecommunications that the company has been granted a unified license. Now, unified license includes GMPACS, VSAT and the ISPA A category for the whole area, the national area. As far as India is concerned, DoT sources have also confirmed that Starlink has complied with the latest security norms related to GMPCS, which were recently updated by TRAI. Now, we had a chance to review a copy of the letter of intent which was given to Starlink on the 7th of May. According to the letter of intent, there are a few terms and conditions that they need to comply with. First off, we'll talk about the financial obligations that they owe the government of India. That is a non-refundable entry fee of about 1 crore 60 lakhs. Apart from that, they also owe in bank guarantees 1 crore 20 lakhs to the government. So that is most likely covered because before proceeding, they need to clear all of these compliances, and only then will they be given these licenses that we just mentioned, which is the whole unified license. Now, as far as these licenses are concerned, this will be followed by an in-space authorization for the satellite to be operating in for Starlink satellite to be operational in India and to cover the whole area of India to provide data as well. So that is the only particular meeting that we will still be looking at as it develops further. An interministerial meeting will be conducted is what we're learning from our sources, along with in-space, to give that final authorization and for Starlink's India debut as well.